Before we start the next video, can you put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel? We have a lot of airdrops coming up. We're going to open this one up on the Telegram channel here on the airdrop. We're going to hit the start button. Down below in this video there should be a link to this. First thing we're going to do is click the airdrop here. We're going to go join the channel here. We're going to click on that. Then we're going to go right back to the Telegram bot. Click down here on the Telegram bot. We're going to go join their Telegram news station, join that. Pop their airdrop page. Then we're going to go follow on Twitter. We're going to retweet the pinned tweet. Might as well like it while we're there. So we'll open that up. So we're going to hit follow. We're going to come down to their pinned tweet. We'll like that. We'll retweet that. We can get rid of this. Now it says to go to their Facebook page. Click on there. Open. And we're just going to put a quick like on their page. It's automatically going to follow. When you like a page, please. Like the page. I'm going to pop that airdrop bot back up. We're going to hit submit my details. We're just going to quickly say hello in their thing here. And we'll pop that bot right back up. And then we're going to hit done. If you joined our channel, hit done if you have, which we have. Retweet just wants our username. And then we're just going to copy and paste our username into there. Hit that. Then I want your Facebook username. Copy and paste our Facebook into there. Click on that. And then I want your ERC20 token address. You put that in. And then you just copy and paste that into here. And then it gives you the referral link. So just copy a referral link, put it wherever. You can send it out to your friends. And that's the end of this video. Put a subscribe down below because we got lots coming up. You're going to want to see them all.